The North didn't have the grit to kill off Sugar Skull Barnowl Day of the Dead shirt. The ideology. Post-Civil War. The level of violence against outgroups was sufficient to cause the North to withdraw in 1876. With an ostrich-in-the-sand mentality with respect to how the racists recreated the post-Civil War South as close as they could to their lost cause. Every Sugar Skull Barnowl Day of the Dead shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, hoodie, then tack on free speech for KKK and neo-Nazis. And wonder why our country is bad. Every country has problems. But you can't fuck around with Nazi ideology in Germany. Why the hell did anyone think that letting free speech extend to traitors and Sugar Skull Barnowl Day of the Dead shirt their ideologies was a good idea? Other products.